Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike here. Today we're continues on the Bummer Beamer. Yeah, we're going to make the Bummer Beamer better. I have a couple of parts as you can see right here. I've got some tools, I've got a light, and just in case things don't go the way I planned them, I got this. Monkey Wrench Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
Here's what's happening today. Yeah, if you are familiar with the car, you know she's had a tough life. Yeah, but she's looking much, much better right now. So I got her started, and I heard this like that. Well, lo and behold, we got an issue with the belt. It's got some chunks taken out of it. Don't know how that happened. I don't know if it was accident related or not. We do have a new bumper here. Radiator, condenser, and everything are fine, but yeah, the belt is not. So what you have to do to replace the serpentine belt, and while you're in there, you might as well replace the tensioner and the pulley, and I'll show you that in just a little bit. But we took the radiator out. Okay, radiator. Not the radiator. We took the fan. Yes, it's the electric fan because it's sitting right there. Okay, the electric fan comes out. It's very easy. There's just one little, like a torque screw over here and a little connector thing over here, undo the electrical connector, and she comes right out. Okay, be very careful about this hose right here because these get brittle and they break, or if you bend them enough, look, that's what you're left with. Yep. Once again, BMW and their infinite wisdom connected two perfectly good rubber hoses with this plastic piece of crap right here that gets brittle and breaks, and then it leaks, and you're totally screwed until you get another one, okay? Don't ask me how I know, but that's how I know. Okay, we have removed the electric fan. Okay, I told you how to do that. Then we're removing one of the intakes for the turbos, and it's literally right here. Okay, so you have a regular connector. This little guy right here twists and he comes off, and then you have two Torx bolts kind of down in here. See, there's one right there and there's one on the other side. You can loosen those up, you can take them out, and that gives you just enough room to move. See how this moves? That's all the room you need. Okay, now I was just going to replace the belt, but lo and behold, in true monkey wrench fashion, this is the tensioner, and it was stripped. Okay, my E50 Torx right there. Yep, doesn't work. It was stripped. So basically what I had to do, because I couldn't move this, you remove the wheel, the top wheel right there, and the whole thing comes out. But look, we're missing a chunk. Yeah, a chunk. It was broken, so maybe the accident did have something to do with this. Okay, there's your piece right there. And it kind of fits, something like that. Okay, yeah, just like that. And that's the reason why I'm having all kinds of troubles. So I had to order a new one of these. I have a pulley that is a little bit loose. I like them to have a little bit of resistance, but see, it just spins and spins. This one, that guy spins a little bit. This guy spins forever and ever, so that means the bottom one, the bottom pulley has to be replaced. Look, lo and behold, I got a pulley, and I got a new tensioner, and I got a new belt. So we're going to replace that today. This is going to be super easy. Anybody can do it. I don't anticipate any problems. Once again, let's do the sign. We're not going to touch the cursed car. I don't want to say cursed car. The ghost of Ed that lives in the hoodliner right there. Okay, yeah. We're going to focus on the Bummer Beamer. I don't know how much I'm going to be able to show you, but this is basically the tensioner, and this is how it goes. And there's the terrific little place where you can insert your Torx bit and rotate this to put the belt on and off. Okay, so basically it just screws in from the back right there. Super easy to do. Do not remove this until you get the belt routed and everything. Then you pull this out, it tightens up the belt, and you're good to go. So we're going to put this in. It's literally one screw. Okay, this is a good pulley. See how this kind of rotates, but there is a little bit of resistance. Yeah, that's what you want. We're going to put this in, and then we will put in the pulley which is again just another bolt like this. It's just a wheel by itself. And we'll put that in, and then I'll kind of show you how it went. All right, let's have some music. Would you like a musical interlude? Let's have a musical interlude. All right. Well, not too bad. Not too bad at all. We're off tripod. Okay, so we're going to go down in here, and I'm going to show you exactly which ones we replaced, if I can get there. Okay, that's the old upper. Okay, let me see here. Shine the light, Mike, shine the light. Okay, that is your new tensioner, okay, the lower and the upper right there. And right where that dot is, yeah, that's your screw. So you literally screw it in. Do not, once again, remove the pin until the belt's in place, okay? The lower one is right there. That was kind of difficult to get to, okay? But she's in and she is good to go. All right, that's the lower pulley. Let me kind of show you. The belt we're putting in is the same number as the old one. It's a gate 070730 or gates. And if you look on this, there's a number right here. Yeah. The OK 07030. Okay, so the belt's been replaced before, but something happened that I don't know what it could be, but we're not going to worry about that. This is the old pulley. Watch how it kind of spins. See how easy it is to spin? Yeah, it has some life left in it, but while I'm there and I'm replacing this stuff, just replace it now. I even could have done the upper pulley, but that one was much, much better. This one, not too bad. Okay, so now all we're going to do is route the belt. We're going to route the belt. Guess what? It's 3 days later. 3 days. 3 days. Believe it or not. Can you see the joy on my face? Yeah. How much fun has this been? Let me show you what happened, okay? Well, we got everything buttoned up, as you can see, but there seems to be an issue with this little pipe right here. I don't think it's supposed to have holes in it like this, okay? So the minute I started it, yeah, stuff's going to come out. So we're not going to do that. What we did, we bought another one, okay? Look at that beauty. 28 bucks, 30 something, almost overnighted. Thank you, rockauto.com for this. Yeah, this literally just goes right here and it attaches right there. Okay, so we're going to put this in and then she will be buttoned up from the top. Below is another story. But from the top, we're focusing on the top. The top is going to be nice and pretty, except for all the dirt and grime and grease. Okay, let's get this on, and then we'll see if we can give her a start. More fun, happy faces. We're good to go. Yeah, she's all buttoned up. All right, we have this little coolant line from said reservoir all the way here, going into the top, okay, the radiator. We also connected the cooler that goes below, that lies beneath. That's connected and ready to go. So I think we're ready to give it a start. Make sure the belt doesn't go flying out of the car. So let's just see where I put the key. Here we go. It's all the way down here. Okay. And that's a good sign. Let's do this. All right. That's not a good sign. The battery's dead. We're back. Yes, we are. One of the good things about having 47 cars in your backyard. Yep, somebody's always willing to give up a battery. So let's do this. Oh, that's a good sign. Okay, here we go. Music, got that. Ignition and takeoff. Don't even tell me this battery's dead. Oh my gosh. Come on. You gotta be kidding me. Really? We're doing this today? Okay. We're going to jump start. Let's give it a whirl, see what happens. Ugh. Okay, here we go. Third time is a charm. Good, good, good. Oh, hell yeah. She sounds good. Let's see what we're doing up here, though. Can you see the belt? She's going around and around and around. I'm loving it. See the little white flash right there? Yeah. Gates, 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 gates. That's what that's saying. Well, we got it installed. We got it installed. We got it installed, okay? It is hot out here. It's kind of raining outside too. Say hi, Lola. Hi, Lola. Okay, so what comes next for the Bummer Beamer to make it better? Yeah, well, we go below. We're going below the Bummer Beamer to make it better. Yeah, all right. So, I think that's going to be it for this video. Okay, the sound stopped. Everything was working fine. That's the fan there for the the electric fan for the radiator. No big deal there. But the car is running good, driving good. All right, so we're gonna call it a good video. All right, everybody, thank you for watching. I am kind of gross and sweaty. Sorry about that. Been a long day. Been a long 4 days. Couldn't help it myself. Yeah. All right. So everybody, thank you for watching. Please like, please subscribe, and please like Lola. She's a good girl. All right. Bye, everybody. Bye.